This is where I'm from, this is where it started. This is what becomes of the broken-hearted. This is going out to those departed from a life so young it was barely started.
Oh, hey, bonjour. Migo at Ganawab de Meg, Nishnaabemdaa Noongo. Noongom, gui knomonim, noj kidwanan, Nishnaabemong. Ako gooding, yawn. How nishke? Gego and Dayan. Zinigan and Dayan. Dayan Zinigan. Now, and Dayan. Gdayan. Awea. Yan. Gego. Zinigan. No Gego. How? 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 Yow. Nin Dayawa. Wea. Mama Goko Chance. In Dayawa. Wea. Kin Gdayawa. In Dayawa. Goko Chance. In Dayan. Zinigan. How? Ko Nijing. Kidwin. McQuendun. And McQuendun. Gishpin, wea Gwedjmid. McQuendun, Gego. Nin we Nonogdwendon. Oh, McQuendun. McQuendun. Now, McQuendun. Ew. Zinigan. McQuendun. Gishpin, wea. McQuendama. And McQuenama. Uh-oh. Goko Chance. McQuenama. Uh-oh. How? McQuendon. Ew. McQuenama. Uh-oh. How? How? Ew. Kidwin. Gaga Nosop. Ew. McQuendon. Gekendun. In Gekendon. Ew. In Gekendon. Ew. Zinigan. In Gekendama. Oh, Goko Chance. Jina Nui Jagna Ashim. I'll speak a bit of English. McQuendun is to remember it. McQuendun. And McQuennim is to remember him or her. And Gekendun is to know it. And Gekanim, know him or her. Just thought I'd make that distinction because my actions probably didn't make it too clear the difference between to remember and to know. Now? Monda Kidwid Nistatan. The Nistatan ga kadud wea. Nistatan. Oh, how? The Nistatois, uh-oh. The Nistatois, oh, Goko Chance. The Nistatois. Meanwhile, Nui Jagna Ashim, it means to understand something or someone by hearing. So, Nistatan, I understand it. And the ta part in there has to do with sound. So, Nistatan, I understand it. And if I understand him or her, it's Nistatois, Goko Chance. I understand him or her. Oh, Goko Chance. How nishke. Nitone. Mage naj tone. Gega nasap. Nitone, mage naj tone. Nishke. Nui naj tone. Eo mizinigan. Oh. Ginaj tone. Eo mizinigan. Ginaj tone. How? Net mage naj ah. Oh, Goko Chance. Oh. Ginaj ah. Oh, Goko Chance. Oh, so last week we talked about to have an animate thing. So like a child, I would say Bnoji Dayawa. I have a child, Bnoji Dayawa. Mage. Kokoshes Dayawa. It's for an animate thing, Dayawa. Now to say you don't have an animate thing, it's Gawin Dayawa Si. Gawin Gayabit Dayawa Si, Kokoshes. I no longer have a pig. So to have him or her to have an animate thing, it's Dayawa. To say I don't have an animate thing, it's Gawin Dayawa Si. Now how? How misa iyo nongom? Miigwech ganawabdameg Nishnaabemdaa Noongo aminwa.
This going out to those departed from a life so young it was barely started. This going out to the mamas crying.